Welcome back to Miss Colburn's PE class. Week 2 of throwing and catching. Say hi, Matthew.
What up?
Say hi, Aiden.
Hello.
So these are my homeschool helper guests for today. We are going to be doing some underhand throwing, and our game for today is laundry toss. So you are going to need about 10 socks so that each of you get 5. You are going to get 5 chances, 2 from close up and 3 from farther away to get your laundry toss inside the hamper. And of course, the person with the most socks inside their hamper wins. So we have 2 different laundry hampers. And you can choose whichever laundry hamper you would prefer according to your skill level. This one's going to be a little bit bigger, so
I feel like that one's going to be a little bit harder. The blue one?
It might be. The white one is smaller, though, so each will have their own challenge. Now, for our warm-up, we are going to start with some stretches, and it will be guided by a little bit of music. Let's go ahead and get everything started. Are you boys ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for you. And 5 for you. All right, let's see them tossing skills. Oh, by the way, yeah, you are saying you guys are right about even. All right, go for it. You guys can go at the same time. Don't forget to take a step with your opposite foot as you toss it in. Very good. So even we're going to try to step with your other foot. So yeah, you step that foot. Awesome. So you got all in. That's okay. That's okay. All right, great job, guys. We're going to go ahead and take it up a notch. We're going to get a little harder. And I have some advice for you on these long socks. Actually, active, stay healthy. Say goodbye, my homeschool helpers.
Bye. And always remember to click the unsubscribe. Thank you.
Thank you.